Thinking about getting rid of moles, warts, skin tags, or dark spots at home without spending a fortune at the dermatologist? The Remifa mole and wart removal laser pen has been popping up online, claiming it can do all that and more, using advanced CO laser technology that supposedly delivers painless, chemical-free, and non-invasive skin treatments. It sounds like the perfect solution for anyone tired of expensive skin treatments or trying sketchy creams. But before you place your order, you need to hear the full story. In our investigation, we found a number of red flags that can't be ignored. First, the certifications shown on their site either look expired, suspiciously edited, or outright unverifiable. Some of the endorsements appear to come from doctors, but a reverse image search shows those images are likely IA-generated or taken straight from Google, not real dermatologists backing the product. Then there's the before and after photos, which are not only inconsistent but look overly edited or reused from other scam products. The site also references big names like Health Canada and 100 Years Ants to sound credible, but there's absolutely no proof of any formal recognition or testing by these organizations. We also couldn't find any reliable customer reviews outside their own website, which is often a big sign of fake testimonials. All this doesn't mean the product is 100% a scam, but it does mean buyers should proceed with extreme caution. If you're looking for a miracle device to solve all your skin issues overnight, this might not live up to the hype. However, if you're still curious, the product link is tagged in this video. Just make sure to do your own due diligence before making a decision.